New deals just dropped. Yes, new deals, new OPE. The new season is here. The spring. Well, not yet, but it's around the corner. A few months. But they always do that early, like every year. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can make Macbook review videos, so you guys won't miss any of the latest and greatest deals. Alright, to start here, we're in a different store, so we did go to two different stores. This is a clearance or a yellow tag item I saw. It's a grill. Then we got a pole saw here at the first store. This is 128 down from 159. It's a tool only. Alright, so here's a killer deal on this one. You got the Flex Volt. I don't know if they're going to kill this line or not. Let us know in the comment section if you guys know. But this one's down to 350. This down from 499. I believe this one has a 9 amp hour battery. Check this out. This is 399 down from 549. This is a push mower 21 inch. Obviously it does include two batteries in there, charger in a case. And then a lot of these are going on clearance. Not necessarily this price, but they're going for $2, $1. I've seen a lot of people get them. Alright, here's another one. This is a killer deal on this one. $499 down from $749. 21 inch compact self-propelled mower. 36 bolts. You got a ice chest here, $21. This is the clearance section, by the way. You got some surge kits. 3 different ones with USB Type A and Type C, $19.97. Talking about USB. There you go. This is for the iPhones, and you got a phone out there, $16 down from $17. You got some more DeWalt iPhone stuff, and I believe that's USB Type C. Got an edge trimmer, 22-inch edge trimmer down to 133, down from 189. It's 18 volts. Yes, we got some more of those kits. You guys know these kits are gonna be dropping. They have a lot of them in stock at this store, at least. 14-inch chainsaw down to 175. So yeah, they had a whole bunch of those. And they had this edge trimmer 133, down from 189. There it is right there. But yeah, they had some more kits up above. So you guys know those. Make sure you guys look at your Home Depot. You might get some good discounts on there. Or wait, just let them sit on it and to lower the price. All right, we got the medium deck box, 140 down from 189. We got a larger one for 175 down from 249. This is for the outside storage. It's kind of like a vault for the outside. Then if you guys are looking, that's a smaller one. Then if you guys are looking for something bigger, here you go, 420 down from 599. This is a much bigger unit. This is like a standing. Then you got this one, 280 down from 399. A good discount on this one. This was a slim profile, maybe for your shovels and all of your equipment. All right, here's another one. This is a much bigger unit. This is the 10 by 10. This one's 1530 down from 1699. You got a 3-burner smart griddle for 720. It's already sold out. And then here's another clearance section. Here's a hammer drill for $90 down for 179. It's pretty good. Just the drill itself. 149 for the radial. Regular price $179. Not bad at all for the job site radio. I heard that this one does not have Bluetooth. Correct me if I'm wrong at the comments. Alright, so this is the oscillating tool. Did not see a price on this one. However, I was looking at this and I did see a price for this one. Somebody mislabeled it. This one's $149, so it is the oscillating tool. It is $149. I should have just picked up the sticker and put it over there. I just didn't want them to see me on the camera that I'm switching prices, so I should just let associate know, but I did forget because I was filming for you guys. Alright, so $319. This one's actually a pretty damn good deal from $399, so it does include that circular saw, impact driver, and hammer drill. Alright, so buy one, get one free. Buy any of the kits on the left, you get a free battery. That's not just a regular battery, that is a high output battery. Alright, you got the 30 feet red laser level, 49 down from 74. You got 39 down from 59 for the 65-foot laser measure. There they are on the bottom here. Kind of a little messy, but alright, you got a miter saw 252 down from 279. Now, I don't believe you get a miter saw stand with that one because usually they have that buy one, get one free. You buy any of the X-Locks, get a free starter kit. Of course, these are hackable, so if you're interested in that. And I did believe we saw this at the Black Friday deals. I think we did see this for around $149. So it's $169 now. And then they got the 3-pack of Telsys 2.0. There's the price. Not too bad. I still got these in the store at $970. So these all lowered the price. Or these got all lowered to $970. Not bad at all. From $1288. They still got some of these left. You got the air tip rotating brush, corner brush tool. $15 down from $19.97. I got this tote. This is a huge tote with wheels, $129. It is 63 gallons, so it's on the bigger side. It's bigger than the 50. Usually you see a 50. But this was 63. And then you got those nice rails up above. You guys could tie stuff to it. Alright, this is 120 down from 149. This is a starter kit, 12 volts, M12. 1988 down from 2988. It's a one right angle attachment set, 3-in-1. Oh, my bad. This is for your tow system, so, and the Versa stack and the T stack. So all those are compatible with this thing. You guys can mix and match and stack up each other. You got the ratchet set, $37, was $49. It is 3-piece from the Huskies. All right, here's another one. There's a sand assortment, 50-pack, $15, down from $19.88. It's a great brand. These are, I believe, these are washable, reusable. So, time 10. All right, so you got $329. Now this nailer, I believe, yeah, it is $299, not $3. They did lower the price like a couple times on this one, so it has been the lowest. I'm waiting for that to drop it even lower. All right, so this is the second store we've been to, and yes, guys, they got the new deals. Yes, these are all brand new. Just as a matter of fact, I believe this is the only store that has it, at least in my area. All right, so $229. This is a string trimmer kit with the quick latch or quick attachment or quick lock capable. All right, so here's another one. You got the M12 brushless pruning shears, $199. And I believe Milwaukee is not compatible with other attachments. I believe Ryobi, Cobalt, and all the other ones are compatible. Correct me if I'm wrong down in the comments. If you're into the quick attachment, life, basically. All right, so $149 is a hatchet. It's a 6-inch pruning saw. Tool only. And you got a battery. This is a $79, 2.5 amp hour high output battery. So you guys get the most out of your 12-volt tools. There they are on the bottom, the tools. You got the shears there. All right, you got the fan. There's a fan for $99. So, as a matter of fact, I'm running a low on fans. A lot of them are breaking. They're really old, so I better stock up on, or not stock up, but obviously purchase a new one. And I'm thinking about purchasing Milwaukee. I got a whole bunch of Milwaukee batteries. All right, so $12.88. This is a 2-pack of safety glasses and level 1 dipped gloves. That is a 2-pack of safety glasses, and you got the 16-inch chainsaw. Tool only, $329. So all these are on sale. Not necessarily the lowest. My guess is they're gonna do a buy more, save more. So if you guys are planning, if you guys need this, obviously pick it up for your pros. Obviously this is one of the newest ones out there. This is the top handle chainsaw. I believe this one's out last year. So yeah, this is a top handle chainsaw. They're trying to replace all the gas, by the way. So $299 was $349. It's a dual battery blower. Now, I don't know, guys. I don't know about this one. I don't know if the extra battery, the extra weight you're only getting somewhat power on that, not necessarily gas. All right, so you got a 21-inch self-propelled mower down to $10.99. Here's another mower for $199. Just kidding. This is actually had the wrong tag. I'm guessing my guess is somebody's gonna be getting this mower for $199. It's gonna be lucky whoever gets it. I just don't bother with it. But my guess, I just left it there because my guess is somebody's gonna be getting that, trying to get that mower for $199. It's gonna be crazy. All right, so $349 down from $399. This is a 450 CFM blower, and I did lose mine. I have no idea where it's at, so I'm shopping for a new blower. My guess is I'm gonna probably end up going with the dual battery one. Got the quick lock articulating edge trimmer attachment, $219. Got the quick lock brush cutter attachment, $179. And then you got the quick lock edger attachment, $149. So different prices on these. These are expensive, but at that price, unless you're really a Milwaukee fan and all you have is red batteries, at that price you can just pay a little bit more and get the full tool. But if you don't have the space, you want to save on space, if you have a work truck, I can see you using this definitely, or myself using it. All right, so you got $299. This is the high output 8 amp hour string trimmer kit. It's pretty nice, and that's what's included. You got the power head, the string trimmer attachment. You got the 8 amp hour battery and the charger. $19.97 for the quick lock 3-pack attachment hangers. And then again, for your organization. All right, so this is the 8 amp hour 2-tool combo kit, $449 from $529. You do get a blower, string trimmer with the quick lock. You do get a high output 8 amp hour battery and a rapid charger. That's nice. That's a really nice kit. A really nice gift too as well. All right, talking about the green Ryobis. This is a very, very small yard type of tool. I would not get this for a medium-sized yard. If you have a lot of grass, do not get this. This is $199 for the 2-tool combo kit. Again, this is for smaller stuff. Medium to small. 350 CFM is not a lot. I do recommend at least 450 to the minimum, or the max more than 450, by the way. All right, so it's $299. It's a 16-inch push lawnmower. Here's another one. This is a self-propelled 20-inch. This one's $429 down from $499. You're gonna see a lot of deals on lawnmowers, so don't hurry up and buy it. All right, so this is the dual battery string trimmer. Yes, like I said, they're trying to get rid of the gas. So this is a 17-inch for $699. It is dual battery, as it says right there. So they're trying to get those people with gas. Same thing with this. This is a charger for those big batteries. $249 is a 6-port charger. As you guys do see, you charge up to 24 batteries overnight. That's a lot. All right, so $699. That's for the string trimmer. All right, for DeWalt's, they got the 219. That's 20 volt max brushless. And then they got the string trimmer for $219 as well, 14-inch cut. So yeah, they got a whole bunch here. I don't see any flex bolts. I don't think they're gonna keep the flex bolts. I don't know what's up with them. I don't know if they're gonna be coming up with the dual battery, but I don't see any new flex bolts. Let us know in the comment section, what do you guys think? Are they going to get rid of that or what? All right, here's another one. This one's 40% when shorter when folded. This one's $219 down from $239. It has a 20 volt trimmer kit with a 5 amp hour battery. And then we got a blower down here, which is pretty decent at 450 CFM. This is $219 down from $249. It's not bad at all. You got a chainsaw, 12-inch chainsaw, $249. I do have that chainsaw. You got $349. This is actually just returned from last year, so I really like this pressure washer, 2000 psi, and it does have in onboard storage for all your accessories. And then you have this 2900 gas pressure washer for $349. If you guys remember last year, we did end up getting these pressure washers for around 200 bucks. Some of you got them for like 150. All right, so we got so you guys make sure you guys stay subscribed, because when those deals drop, I do post and they sell out. All right, you got this pressure washer, $99, a really basic pressure washer. I do have this thing. This thing's a beast for what it is. This is $49.99. This is a 3000 psi 12-inch sidewalk surface cleaner. Guys, that's it. All this is the other newer stuff. Keep subscribed, because there's more stuff dropped. I will be posting. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Have a great week.